Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get rewards by popping the bubble in Heartopia game. Okay, this is the bubble guys, and you just need to jump to pop the bubble, and the bubble will spawn randomly around the map. So if you see the bubbles, you can pop them to get free rewards. Yay, and I'm looking for the other bubbles, but there's no bubble here. So yeah, just in case if you see the bubble, don't forget to pop them to get rewards. Thank you guys, and that's how you can get free rewards by popping the bubbles in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.